Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back. I am happy you are here with me tonight. I want to tell you something very important. You are valuable. You are worthy. You are enough. But sometimes we forget. Why? Because we listen too much to other people. We let them decide our value. We let them tell us if we are good, if we are smart, if we are beautiful, if we are successful. Tonight, let us remember the truth. Your worth is not measured by others. Your worth is always inside you. It has always been there. It will always be there. Many people compare themselves. We say, "She is prettier than me. He is smarter than me. They are richer than me." Comparison is like a trap. You fall inside and you cannot climb out. But here is the truth. You are not her. You are not him. You are you. And that is enough. A flower does not compare to another flower. The rose does not say, "The lily is better." The lily does not say, "The sunflower is better." Each flower blooms in its own time. Each flower has its own beauty. So do you. Let me tell you a story. There were two coins. One was shiny and new. The other was old and scratched. People looked at the shiny coin and said, "This is beautiful. This is valuable." They looked at the old coin and said, "This is ugly. This is worthless." But one day, a wise man said, "Both coins have the same value. Both can buy the same bread. Both can feed a hungry child." The truth is, the outside does not change the worth. The worth is always the same. You are like that coin. Even if life makes scratches, your worth does not change. Sometimes people say things. "You are not good enough. You are too slow. You will fail." These words hurt. They feel heavy. They stay in your mind. But remember this: the most important voice is not theirs. The most important voice is yours. When you speak to yourself with kindness, when you say, "I am worthy," you will feel light. You will feel strong. Close your eyes now. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out slowly. Say softly, "I am worthy. My worth is not measured by others." Again, inhale. Exhale. I am worthy. My worth is not measured by others. Feel the truth in your heart. Feel the peace in your body. There was an artist. He painted a beautiful picture. He showed it to one person. The person said, "It is ugly." He showed it to another person. The person said, "It is perfect." He showed it to a third person. The person said, "It is okay." The artist was confused. Is my painting ugly, perfect, or just okay? Then he realized the painting did not change. Only people's opinions changed. The truth was simple. The painting's beauty did not depend on others. The painting's beauty was always there. You are like that painting. People's opinions may change, but your worth stays the same. Repeat after me. I am valuable. I am enough. My worth does not depend on others. My worth is always inside me. I respect myself. I love myself. Sometimes people will judge you. They may laugh at your dreams. They may say you cannot succeed. They may tell you who you should be. But listen carefully. Their words are about them. not about you. A mirror shows what it sees, but the mirror is not the truth. The truth is deeper. You know yourself better than anyone. You know your heart. You know your dreams. You know your path. No one else can measure you. In a forest, there was a small tree. The big trees laughed at it. You are too small. You will never grow strong. But the small tree kept growing, slowly, quietly, day by day. Years later, a storm came. The big trees fell. The small tree bent, but it did not break. The small tree survived. It learned worth is not size. Worth is not noise. Worth is being true to yourself. Close your eyes again. Imagine standing in a garden. There are many flowers. Each one is different. Each one is beautiful. Now, imagine you are one of the flowers. You do not need to be a rose. You do not need to be a lily. You are you, and that is enough. Feel the sun on your face. Feel the earth under your feet. Feel the truth. You are worthy. In today's world, we look at pictures online. We see people smiling, traveling, living perfect lives. We think, they are better than me. I am not enough. But remember, a picture is only a moment. It is not the full story. Everyone has pain. Everyone has fears. Everyone is human. Do not let social media measure your worth. Your worth is not likes. Your worth is not followers. Your worth is deeper. When you love yourself first, it is not selfish. It is strength. There was a diamond. It fell into the dirt. It was covered with mud. People walked past it. No one noticed. But one day, a child picked it up. He washed it. It shined bright. The diamond was always valuable. The dirt never changed its worth. You are that diamond. Life may cover you with dirt. People may not see your light. But your worth is still shining inside. Here is a simple daily practice. 1. Every morning, look in the mirror. Smile at yourself. Say, I am worthy. I am enough. Do this every day. Slowly, your heart will believe it. Slowly, your mind will accept it. Sometimes you may feel small. You may feel invisible. You may feel forgotten. When this happens, remember, a candle is small, but it can light a dark room. A drop of water is small, but it can grow a seed. You are not small. You are important. You matter. Close your eyes one last time. Imagine holding a small light in your hands. This light is your worth. It shines softly. It shines warmly. No one can take this light away. No one can measure this light. It is yours. It is always with you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Smile. Say softly, my worth is not measured by others. My worth is always mine. My dear friend, you are more than opinions. You are more than numbers. You are more than comparisons. Your worth is not in what others say. Your worth is not in what others think. Your worth is inside you. It is unshakable. It is infinite. As you sleep tonight, let these words stay in your heart. I am worthy. I am enough. I am loved. Good night. Sleep well. Shine bright.